Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by removing variables. Check the wall outlet and swap to a known good socket so power source is eliminated. Next, examine the power cable and external brick for visible damage. A bad connector or burned smell tells you why it failed. Once done, do a full power drain, hold the console power button for about 10 seconds with it unplugged, wait 1 minute, then reconnect. This clears residual charge and resets simple faults before you escalate to deeper diagnostics. You now isolate components. Swap in a verified power cable or power brick to rule out a faulty supply, because many failures come from that single point. While powering, watch for LED colors and blink patterns or listen for beep sequences. These signals point to power, motherboard, or GPU issues. Make sure vents and the fan are clear. Overheat can force a shutdown and prevent startup. If the console shows lights but won't boot, you're narrowing toward internal board or firmware problems. You close with recovery and escalation. If the console produces some signs of life, create an offline update USB and attempt a system recovery to repair corrupted firmware. If that fails or the unit remains completely unresponsive, gather serial and purchase info and contact manufacturer support for warranty service. Make sure to document each troubleshooting step. One key tip: if you're comfortable, test or swap the power supply with a multimeter or known good unit before opening the console. Power issues are the most common root cause.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.